ASUS router guest network hidden. Enable SSID broadcast. Step 1. Accessing your ASUS router settings. Open a web browser and go to your router's IP address. Log in with your username and password. Step 2. Navigating to guest network settings. Once logged in, on the left-hand menu under the General section, click on Guest Network. Step 3. Selecting the guest network to modify. You'll see a list of your guest networks. Choose the specific guest network for which you want to enable the SSID broadcast. Click on the Enable button or the network name to access its settings. Step 4. Enabling SSID broadcast. Within the guest network settings, look for an option called Hide SSID, Enable SSID broadcast, or something similar. If Hide SSID is checked, uncheck it. If there's an Enable SSID broadcast option, make sure it's set to Yes or Enabled. Step 5. Applying the changes. Once you've made the necessary changes, scroll down and click the Apply button to save your settings. Your guest network's SSID should now be visible to devices searching for Wi-Fi networks.